Hi everyone. In my previous videos, I have shown how to retrieve data from database. Today I am going to show how to insert data to database in ASP.NET Core MVC framework. First of all, I am going to introduce some necessary things about this project. Okay, this is my employee controller, and this is application DB context, and this is my employee class, model class. Okay, and this is my SQL server management studio, and this is employee table. This table contains only 4 rows. Go back to my project and go back to employee controller class. Here I will create code for insert data. First of all, I am going to create action for insert data. Okay, public I action result create return view. Then public SYC tracks I action result create method name my employee model class employee I will append I will give a condition if model state is valid then underscore db dot add employee. Underscore db dot I need to call save change method. Save change. After saving data, this space can be redirect to index space. So return redirect to action index. Return view employee. Okay, sorry, this employee. Here the index should put it in a string. Okay, my code is ready. Now I'll create a view. So click right button, add view, select reserve view, click on add button, select create method, select model class employee, then Click on add button. Scaffolding for create view. Okay, my view is ready. Okay, this ID column is auto generated, so there is no need to insert this column. Okay, I comment this, then run my project. My project is running. Click on create new button, then select test name, input the employee name, test employee email is great. Okay, new record is inserted. Again test. Okay, employee name Rohim at gmail.com. Age 21:30. Okay, add it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my videos to the database. In my next video, I will show how to update data to the database.